Gardening is a wonderful activity for anyone. Young, old, and in between, gardening can be a great activity that provides purpose. When gardening with a person with moderate dementia, there are some safety tips to be mindful of. A person's balance can be affected, so you'll want to be cautious about uneven gardens and bending down and getting back up again. Raised garden beds or pots may be a better alternative. Stools and benches can be useful. Supervision may be required when your loved one is using tools such as hoes or spades, which can be sharp. You may want to switch to smaller handheld tools. Many summer plants require a lot of sunshine to grow. However, too much sun is not so good for us. Make sure to wear sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat when gardening to protect yourself. You may find it better to garden early in the morning or late in the day to avoid too much sun exposure. If you keep safety in mind, your gardening efforts can be a rewarding experience for you and your loved one.